Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take trades with candlestick psychology and price action, so stay tuned. Alright guys, the reason why I took this trade here, I could see that the price came up to this resistance previously, right? And based off my analysis, I can see that this 3-bar down is very strong, because if you notice, the second candle creates a lower low compared to the previous candle. So that's showing me that sellers are very active in the market. But as you can see, there is a supply here, so this might try to fight the price. But yeah, you see the price is reacting from this supply. If I had more money, I would have taken this supply, maybe, because as you see, it's fighting the price. It might close green. Yeah, see that? See that, guys? If I had more money, I would take this supply here. And to be honest with you, I'm waiting for the next candle to close first, because as you see, we are in a downtrend, so I don't really want to go against the trend. And I didn't see something. Okay, I see what's going on. The next supply area is right here. Okay, so I'm going to take this trade because I can see that the price hasn't reached any supply area as yet, and we are coming from a supply, so it will reach to the other supply. That's how the market moves. The price moves from supply to supply. It switches through supplies. See, guys? Beautiful. See that? The price switches through supplies and demand. Sorry about that. Not supply and supply. Supply and demand. Okay? It's sometime when I'm recording, I'm trying to focus on the chart while speaking. It's confusing a little bit. Yeah, so as you guys can see right here, the price is trying me, but we're going to turn out victorious because this supply is very strong. Okay? This supply is very strong. Beautiful. See that, guys? If I waited here, I could have taken the trade earlier. Alright, I'm taking this. Damn, my entry. My entry is so late, man. As you guys see right here, this is a QM area. Okay? This is a QM area. Plus, we're in a third touch area also. Okay? Which third touch is like support and resistance. Let me show you real quick. Right? So I'm predicting that if the price comes Alright, I'm taking this. If it comes up higher, I need it to come a little higher than that. The reason I'm taking this, guys, you all know that when a supply area is broken, when a demand is broken, it becomes supply, right? And as you see, it was broken. Then I'm expecting it to become a supply, because it was a demand, and when a demand is broken, it becomes supply, right? And I saw an engulfing candle, which gives us retracement sometimes, right? And I see market sequence. As you see, one green, one red, one green, one red, one green, one red, one green. I'm expecting red, and yes, I did get red. Then I saw a gap down, So I know that the price will continue now because gaps like to be filled. Okay, and that's all we trade, guys. Like it's pretty easy, you know. In my mentorship, my students, they all trade this way. You know, it's pretty easy. Let's find our next trade. Oh, my entry. I wanted to enter at the line. Damn. If it comes up higher, I don't think it's gonna go any higher. Okay, guys, the reason why I took this, that supply is super strong. Okay, beautiful, 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 nice. This supply is so strong, like I am like sure about this trade. I have seen this supply play over in my eyes many times, so I know this supply is very, very strong. Okay, my entry here is very bad. Okay, my entry is very, very. As I said, guys, my first entry was bad. Okay, my first entry was super, super bad, guys. This is the reason why I say that entries are very important. See that? This is the reason why entries are very important. Right, beautiful, guys. As you can see right here, we are at a supply area. Okay, and I see a very strong engulf. I am pretty confident in this trade. This engulf is super strong, so I'm very sure about this trade. I'm very sure about this trade. Like, I'm not even joking, bro. If you pay attention right here, you could see that this supply is super strong, right? And the price came, it broke the body, but it didn't break the wick, right? So we're still in the supply area. Then I see the strong engulf. So I'm confident that the price will go higher. I had to do full margin. Like, this is too perfect. This is one of the most perfect opportunities you can find in the market. If you know exactly why, guys, this trade is so good. This trade is so good. Beautiful. Sweet. Beautiful. Okay. All right. Let's find out. Hey, I think I'm taking this mainly because I saw that there was a trend line here. I just didn't have time to mark it, but I can see it because I've been looking at these candles for the past 8 years. So I can see the patterns without drawing them. I just draw them because I know that you guys need to see what I'm looking at also, right? So that's the main reason why I draw sometimes. I can see everything on the chart, like it's very clear. Like it's crystal clear. Okay. Anyway, as you can see right here, we had a trend line, plus we have a previous support area. Okay, and we could see that there was a weak candle which closes on the level. So I'm expecting buyers to be very, very strong in this area because sellers were weak in this area. So it shows me that the buyers are in this area very strong. Okay, and I'm gonna take this here. Main reason, I saw that this is a 3 bar, okay, and it closes strong, plus it gave me a gap down, and we're still at the trend line area. And we know that whenever we have gaps in the financial market, gaps like to be filled. As you can see, it filled right there, and it's gonna fill again. So guys, this trade is a sure shot. Like, I'm sorry I didn't bet the entire balance. Like I'm regretting this. This is a short shot. I'm not even. This is a. This is a short shot. That's all I'm gonna say, because we are the next gap. Inside gaps like to be filled, because in the financial markets, inside gaps mean imbalance. There's a next gap, the price will be green. But I'm not gonna take any more trade here, guys. I think this is enough profit for today. Okay, beautiful. So this will be it, guys, for my session. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.